Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove saved login info on Facebook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, simply tap open your Facebook app, and once you open it, go to your profile. Once you're here, simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then simply tap on the settings tab, and once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So tap on password and security and simply scroll down and tap on password and security once again, and there you will find an option called save login. Simply tap on that particular option and simply select an account you want to delete or remove the save login info on Facebook. So once you have selected it, you will end up in this kind of interface. Here, there are different options like remove save login info from Chrome, your Android, or from your device cloud. So simply tap on any of the option you want to choose, and then it will automatically remove save login info on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.